Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Cloud Functions triggers for mobile apps, full guide step by step clearly. To install Cloud Functions triggers for mobile apps, start by setting up your environment. Ensure you have the Firebase command line interface installed on your machine. If you don't have it installed, you can do so by running the command npm install gfirebase tools. Once Firebase CLI is installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Authenticate with Firebase by running Firebase login. This command will open a browser window for you to log into your Firebase account. After successful login, navigate to your project directory using the terminal. Run Firebase init functions to create a new Cloud Functions directory. Select the Firebase project from the list that you want to use. In the prompt, choose your preferred language for writing functions, either JavaScript or TypeScript. If prompted, choose whether to install dependencies with npm. After initialization, navigate to the functions folder in your project directory. Open the index.js or index.ts file to start writing your Cloud function. Define the trigger type you want to use, such as HTTP, Firestore, or authentication. For an HTTP trigger, you can use exports.yourfunctionname equals functions.https.onRequest, request, response, equals. For Firestore triggers, use functions.firestore.document, your collection /docid.onCreate, snapshot, context, equals, /* your code here */. Make sure to replace your collection and doc ID with the actual collection name and document identifier. Write the necessary logic inside the function to handle the event as required. After writing your function, save the changes to your file. Next, deploy your functions to Firebase using the command Firebase deploy only functions. Once deployment is complete, take note of the URLs or function identifiers provided in the terminal. You can now integrate the triggers into your mobile app by using the Firebase SDK. Make sure your app has the necessary permissions to interact with the Firebase services you are using. Test your function by triggering events from your mobile app and checking for the expected results. Additionally, monitor the performance and logs of your Cloud Functions via the Firebase console. This ensures that your triggers are functioning as intended and helps in troubleshooting if needed. You have now successfully set up Cloud Functions triggers for your mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.